Okay, this is Dean. This is South Carolina non-owner's quote. To do the non-owner's quote, you can click on this button here or go New Business, South Carolina non-owner. Okay, let's just go to non-owner quote, put in here and go Dean Kruger, and I'm a single male, da-da-da. Do you see how it's the cursor's moving? So we'll put in a birth date, and then we go into just leave these alone at the commission and the 10%, and you don't have to do anything with that. It puts in the limits, and here's your quote: $58.22, and a minimum down payment of $10.54. The rate log is really more for myself at the company to double check what is going on. Okay, once it's done, you just hit save quote. If you wanted to go ahead with the policy, you would go into edit quote, and it's going to tell you that there's some things that need to be fixed, and what you would do is you would put in the full address, and you know, you put in state is South Carolina, territory. It'll give you an option of a territory. Usually you can tell by the county. Again, to do a full policy, you need more information. This is if it's the same as the home address. You don't need to fill this out. This is your pay plan. Let's just say you're doing a 5-pay. There would be no premium finance company then. And then on your policy options, you would put in 6-month, 12-month inception date. This here will be filled in for you, the agency. And you have your underwriting questions, and they should be no, which is, do you own a motor vehicle? This is for your customer. Does any resident own a motor vehicle other than a motorcycle? And do you customarily not furnished by your employer? Your limits are always going to be your minimum limits. Your operator is here. This is where you would put in the license number, and it would populate, and you need the license date. It would populate. If you click on order the MVR, there she goes. The violation should pull in if you order the MVR. Again, if you want to put in violations to retest your quote, you could do it here. If you wanted to do an accident policy add-on, that's a very nice product. We pay 50% commission on that, and it's a product that goes well with non-owners. And then I'm not going to re-rate this because I don't think it's going to work because I didn't fill out some of this stuff. I didn't put in the driver's license number. Again, for the quote, you don't need that, but to issue a policy, you do.